Promo X CRM is really proud to introduce the all-new chat feature for all our users. Now, you will be able to communicate with all your team members in real time through chat and will not have to write emails for every single discussion. To access chat features, simply click on chat icon on the top right corner of your screen on your Promo X CRM dashboard. This will redirect you to Handshakers, the chat platform of Promo X CRM. You will be asked to sign up or log in. After following the instructions and successfully logging in Handshakers, you will be able to access the chat platform. Now you can create different teams to keep all your discussions separate. Within your teams, you can create different channels for different purposes and for different teams, like sales team, IT team, production team, etc. You can also create private channels to store private data that you want to share with selected few team members only, like credentials, reports, etc. You can tag your team members in channels, reply to the same messages, creating a single discussion thread, or even save it to remember for future use. The best part is, your team member does not need access to Promo X CRM to chat with you. They can sign up independently to communicate with you.
Handshakers is the complete solution for all your communication needs. Feel free to reach out to us anytime for any questions.